Artificial intelligence is an approach to make a computer smarter and human life easier. AI assists in every area of our lives, whether we are reading emails, giving directions, or we are doing a web search. There are many applications of AI. So, AI is used for the gaming applications as well as AI is used for natural language processing. We can create intelligent robots with the help of AI as well as we can create speech recognition systems with the help of AI. AI is being used everywhere, even in web development. In web development, there is a voice search, virtual assistants, as well as a chatbot. So this is increasing the user experience. So why not creating a voice controlled website? Voice control systems have changed the way of interaction of human with computer and other systems. It's fast, fun, and making communication more real. Learning is more efficient and interactive if you can make use of voice-enabled feature, especially while learning languages and music. Speech recognition systems allow user to interact with computer and make hand-free requests. User make hand-free requests and computer process that request and give results. A voice automated web application will be more helpful for the human. It is a great interest for the people as well as it follow hand-free commands feature. So it will be more useful for the visually disabled people and it's so beneficial for everybody. There are few voice AI platforms available on the internet like Snips, Alan AI, Wonder Voice, but these are not fully free and these are paid also. So I have created a prototype of voice controllable website and will soon turn into a open source library. So I have used React.js, speech recognition, YouTube API and Redux to make this application, and it is having 9 features. You can control navigation, scrolling, video selection, pagination, voice control, video controls, website history and form filling and submission, and you can search by voice controlling. Not only this will give you responses with the results audibly also. Now let's see the demo of it.